Welcome to this tutorial on how to see TradingView alerts. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders and investors, offering various features to help you analyze markets and track your investments. One of the key features is alerts, which notify you when a specific condition or price level is reached. In this video, we will walk you through the process of setting up and viewing these alerts. First, let's set up your alerts. To do this, open your TradingView account and select the chart for the asset you want to track. Look for the alerts icon, which resembles a clock or bell, located on the right-hand side of your chart. Click on this icon to open the alert creation window. Here you can customize the alert based on price movements, technical indicators, or specific conditions. Make sure you choose your preferred notification method, whether it's an email, mobile notification, or sound alert. Once you have set up your alerts, you might wonder how to view them. To check your active alerts, simply click on the alerts icon again. This will bring up a list of all your current alerts, along with their status. If an alert triggers, you will receive a notification based on the preferences you selected. You can also manage your alerts from this menu, including editing or deleting them as needed. In summary, seeing and managing alerts on TradingView is a straightforward process. By setting up alerts, you can stay informed about critical market movements without constantly watching your screens. Remember to customize your alerts to fit your trading strategy so you can react promptly to opportunities in the market. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.